Question number 24A. A horse, a cow, and a goat are tied each by ropes of length 14 meter at the corners A, B, and C respectively of a grassy triangular field ABC with sides of length 35 meter, 40 meter, and 50 meter. Find the area of grass field that can be grazed by them. Okay, students, suppose here is a triangular grass field with corners A, B, and C. And according to this question, a horse has been tied at the corner A with a rope length of 14 meter, right? 14 meter. Similarly, at corner B, a cow has been tied with same length of rope, that is 14 meter. Similarly, at the corner C, a goat has been tied with the same length of rope, that is 14 meter, right? Now, let's try to understand concept of this question, okay? Students, if we draw a circle at these 3 points A, B, and C by considering this 14 meter as a radius like this, then 3 minus sector will be formed over here, and these 3 animals, horse, cow, and goat, can graze only these 3 portions. And according to this question, we need to find area of this shaded part. I mean area of these 3 minus sectors, right? And we have formula for finding area of minus sector, and that formula is, okay, firstly, for this sector, we have formula theta by 360 pi r square plus, and for this sector, theta by 360 pi r square plus, and for this sector, theta by 360 pi r square. And students, here the value of theta hasn't been given, but we know that this angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be 180 degree, as we know angle sum property, right? So here in place of theta we can write angle A as it is by 360 pi r square plus, and here also in place of theta we can write angle B by 360 pi r square plus, and here also in place of theta we can write angle C by 360 pi r square. Now in these 3 terms, 360 pi r square is same, so it can be taken as common. So 1 by 360 pi r square can be taken as common, and here remains only angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Now let's put the value whatever we have. Okay, for that let's proceed to new page. Okay, 1 by 360 as it is into pi. The value of pi we know that 22 by 7 into r square. Radius we have 14 meter. So it can be written 14 into 14. Now here angle A plus angle B plus angle C, and it is equal to 180. So we can write over here 180. Okay, no need to write bracket over here. 180. Now 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. 180 can divide 360 by 2. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 20. 2. Now here remains only 11 2s are 22 into 14. Now after multiplying these two, 14 2s are 28 and 14 2s are 28 and 2 30. So final answer is 308 meter square.